Everyone. So in this session we will learn how to configure the Flutter development on your system. So before starting the Flutter development, first you need to have the Flutter SDK on your system. So we will download the Flutter SDK from its official site. And one more thing, Flutter development you can start work on any operating system like Windows, Linux, or Mac operating system. But if you are going to develop iOS application, then you need uh, to have Mac operating system. Why? Because the if you are going to develop iOS application, you need Xcode, right? So an Xcode can be installed on Mac operating system, right? So in this session we are going to use a Mac operating system. So I will okay, so then let's get started. So first I need to set up the Flutter SDK, which I need to install from the Flutter official sites. So this link will get the Flutter SDK in your system. Then you will unzip this file. After unzipping, you have to set up a path of the Flutter SDK bin folder. So the path can be configured or setting up temporarily or permanent on your system. So in this session I'm going to set a path temporarily. So for that I'm going to use the command is export path and the path of Flutter bin directory. Click on next. Then you can check the Flutter path bin directory path has been setting up for this terminal session only, right? So you can also check the path echo $of path. Here is a Flutter bin directory path has been setting up, right? The second approach, uh, the second step is to run the command flutter doctor. Why? Because this command will show the all configuration which has been configured for the Flutter SDK, right? Like what Flutter can be done, like in the Android development or iOS development, and the connected devices information, all you will get by this command. So here you can see Android toolchain and Xcode. These are showing the instruction for Android development, and these are showing instruction for iOS development, right? So I don't have Android Studio installed on my system as of now, so it is showing me like Android Studio not installed. So Android application I'm not able to uh, develop as of now, right? But I have installed Xcode. And one more thing about Xcode, the Flutter plugin is supported from Xcode 11.0. So you need to have Xcode 11.0 minimum for start the development. Okay. And it is showing me VS Code because it is advisable to use the Android Studio and the VS Code IDEs for Flutter development. right? Because these IDEs support the Flutter plugin. By use of that, you can start development of the Flutter application. Okay. So later on, we will use VS Code IDE for the Flutter application development. But in this session, I'm just create a Flutter application by use of terminal only, and will run the application by use of terminal on the simulator, right? So, and I have also created a simulator, iOS simulator. So I will open that simulator first. So you can use open a simulator command to open this simulator which you have available. So on my system, this iPhone simulator is available. So it is opening now. Now I'm going to create a Flutter project by use of this command Flutter create, and the name of the project demo. I given a name of project as demo. So the Flutter SDK will create a default project for me by using of this command. It will take some time and then it will configure the project. So the project has been configured. Now you can run this application or run this default demo project on your connected simulator. So for that, you can use this command flutter run. But now first you have to go into the demo project or demo directory project, cd demo. Now I am in the project directory. Then you can run command flutter run. Then this project will run on the connected device, right? I'm going to run it, and you can show on the emulator. It will take some time to install the application. I think it's a pretty interesting to run the application from the from the command line. I like it. But in the coming session, we will see the code in the IDE, and will try to learn the syntax of the code. Right? Xcode will done, then it will come in the emulator. Yeah. Now the application has been run. So it's a default project which is created by the Flutter SDK. This is a counter application. So in this session, that is all about the configuration. So in the coming session, we will see the code, how it looks like, and we will create some applications from the scratch, so you guys can understand like how we can develop the Flutter application. So and it is going to quite simple. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.